Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming in, and in today's video I'm going to show you 7 of my most used beauty hacks. It's so easy, so handy. I'm very sure you love it. Do you know you can use your red or a pink lipstick as your blush as well? Just dab it in your cheeks and then use your hand to apply it all over. Just let the product sit well in your skin so that it don't look unnatural. And this hack will not only give you rosy cheeks but also save a good amount of money. Just make sure you don't use any metallic or glossy lipstick for this purpose. This should be one of my most used hack, and it's to make your any glossy lipstick into a matte one. So I'm just doubling up the same lipstick that I used before, and I'm using my tissue paper to make it into a matte one. So just do it what I have shown and it will take all of your moisture away and give you a matte finish. You bought a darker shade of your foundation, or you just don't want a full coverage, maybe a light coverage like a BB cream effect, so you can mix your favorite moisturizer with your foundation and it will automatically give you a lighter shade than it actually is. If you love using your eyelash curler like me in daily basis, just go and check how much gunk has it collected. Just use your lighter for 10 to 15 seconds. Just make sure you don't burn your finger, and then everything will melt up and then it will come out, and you can see how much gunk is over there, and you are using same thing again. After doing this, just check it out, it becomes like brand new. So in this hack we are using our toothbrush to scrub our lip. Just apply some lip balm so you don't hurt your lip while scrubbing, and use a separate toothbrush, not the one you brush your teeth, and it removes all your dead skin. Here we are using our foundation before applying a lipstick. This helps you to neutralize your natural lip color if it's dark or has a scarring, and then it helps to actually pop out your lipstick color, and also as it works as a primer, it makes your lipstick last longer. So the last hack is to run your mascara under really hot water for 30 to 40 seconds. It will really help out if your mascara has dried out or is really clumpy, and give you a really smooth finish. That's it for today's videos, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you think all of these hacks were useful, please give it a thumbs up so that I can make more videos like this in future. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel so that you can catch all of my future videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.